What's up guys, and welcome to Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's video we're learning how to use AirDrop on your Mac. Now AirDrop is one of the best and easiest ways to share files between Apple devices. Now before you can use AirDrop on your Mac, you need to make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and Bluetooth is turned on as well. So make sure both of those are turned on, because AirDrop uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to send and receive files. And then you want to go to the control center, click on that, and then go to AirDrop, and then make sure it's turned on. Now when it's turned on, it's going to look like this. This is turning it off, that's turning it on. And then you have two options for turning on AirDrop. The first option is contacts only, and this means you can only receive files from people in your contacts list. And then everyone means you can receive files from any device that has AirDrop on it. So this is usually the most usual way of sending and receiving files. So put on everyone, and this basically allows your Mac to receive files from any device that has AirDrop. And of course, by any device, I mean any device within Bluetooth or Wi-Fi range. So now that you have AirDrop on and other people can send files to your Mac, I'm gonna give an example of a file. For instance, I want to send this picture over. I'm simply gonna go to share and then AirDrop, and then choose the device using the device's name. For instance, this is Mac's iMac. I'm gonna tap on that, and it's gonna make a sound, and the file will be received and saved to the downloads folder automatically. So I can now access it from there. I can move it somewhere else. I can open it, and there's my file that I've just received through AirDrop on my Mac. Now I can also send files from my Mac to other AirDrop devices, and to do that I can simply just get the file, whether it's open or not. If it's not open, for instance this is a Word document, simply right click on the file and then go to share and then select AirDrop. Now if the other device has AirDrop turned on, you should see it right there. You see the device is right there, so click on it and it's gonna start sending the file to the device. Now my device is my iPhone, so here's the file. It's been received already, and it's gonna ask me what I want to open my file with. I'm gonna go for Word because it's a Word document, and there's my file received from the Mac. And you can do this for any other file type. For instance, this is an image, the one we just received. I'm gonna right click on it and then again go to share and then AirDrop. Now again, I can also open the file first. For instance, I'm gonna open this, and with the file open, you should see the share icon right there. So you want to click there and then again select AirDrop, and then go ahead and select the device you want to send to, and the file is going to be sent and received on the other AirDrop device. And that's basically how to send and receive files through AirDrop on your Mac. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.